Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Paybis step by step. So first of all, you need to visit the Paybis website, or you can also open the application. Then you need to sign up with the help of your email address and verify your email and phone number in order to complete your identity verification. Now, if you already have done that, you just have to log in into your account, and here this is going to be your dashboard. Now over here, if the buy option is not selected already, you need to simply select the option of buy first. Now you just have to simply select the method with the help of which you are going to make payment in order to basically purchase Bitcoin. So for example, let's say you have selected the option of Revolut Pay. Then you just have to simply select this drop down menu, and among the given cryptocurrencies, you need to select BTC or Bitcoin. Now, after selecting it, you just have to enter the amount of USD that you want to spend in order to purchase Bitcoin. If you have any of the promo codes, you can also apply that over here. Now, after doing so, you just have to simply click on the option of buy Bitcoin. Then, as per the payment method that you have selected, you will be redirected on the payment page. So you need to just simply complete the payment, and as soon as it is done, you will be able to buy Bitcoin on Paybis. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.